Bus dropped us off for Schweitzer Falls. I'm gonna say made a little bit of a mistake. We took a lift from the bus station to what we thought was going to be up here, up to the Mendenhall Glacier. Started going back towards the cruise ship. Today we're in Juneau, Alaska. Don't have a whole lot planned, so let's just see what we can do. So today for our excursion, we're gonna take the city bus, which is like $2 or $3 a person, up to the Mendenhall Glacier. So to get from your cruise ship to the bus terminal, there's a bus terminal behind me. You're gonna walk down the main road to that bus terminal, which the main road here is Marine Way. That'll get you to where you gotta go. So a couple tips for the buses here in Juneau. You're definitely gonna wanna bring cash. $2 for adults, $1 for kids, rides the whole line. The 3 and the 4 will take you as close to the national park as possible. And then you're gonna have to Uber, Lyft. If you're crazy, you could walk, but it's 4.2 miles from the bus stop up to the visitor center. And plus you got 2 miles if you want to visit Nugget Falls. So be prepared for that. So we made it here to the Nugget waterfall, or the Nugget Falls, which is right by the glacier, right there behind me. I'm gonna say made a little bit of a mistake. We took a lift from the bus station to what we thought was going to be up here. Started going back towards the cruise ship. So just a heads up, if you use Lyft to get here, don't put in Nugget Falls because it'll take you back down into the city center, which is like a tour company. Take it to the national forest, and that way they can drop you off. They can't drop you inside the park. You're gonna have to walk a little bit because they don't let ride share.
I found another one.
Found another rock. So far we're in this for $28 for the lift. That was my fault. And $3 for the bus. To come to the falls, cost us nothing. Totally free. So still beats what cruise ships are charging. Definitely a beautiful place, and you can still see the glacier from here. Well, it ended up being a little more than I thought it was going to be. We went to Nugget Falls. The bus dropped us off for Schweitzer Falls. So Schweitzer is going to be the cheaper option. If you want to go to Nugget, you're looking at probably a $20 Uber on top of your bus fare. So bus fare is about $3 each way. And then $20 for, Lyft got us up to the falls and the glaciers. So as you can see here, really beautiful area. Definitely recommend. However, it became an ordeal coming back because the last bus was at 5:25. And we had to walk for like ever. It became an ordeal. However, I am proud of this guy. Like, he made it. Wasn't fun, but he made it. So, beautiful place. We're gonna go back to the ship now because his legs are tired again. He's gonna be done traveling with me by the time this is over.